Okay, so this is our uterus. It's just a
Okay.
dodgeball that I cut a hole into. And then for baby, a little baby doll, and then I put a nail into his belly to attach a cord, and then a balloon for the placenta.
Okay.
And then in order to stimulate amniotic fluid coming out when we open the uterus, I'm going to put a balloon at the bottom of the dodgeball. And then these will just be in our mannequin to help stabilize everything, which are just towels. And then this is the belly I built. It's just a turkey basin that I cut the bottom out of. And then I used a tablecloth that's kind of flesh colored for the skin. And then this is like what you put under a bath mat for the fascia and peritoneum, which we will cut through.
Okay. And then we're using a mannequin from our sim center that is a delivery mannequin.
Yeah.
We just took all the equipment out of it.
Yes.
Okay, so let's assemble it now.
Okay, so we'll put our amniotic balloon in first. And then we'll put baby with the placenta in. And then we have a zip tie to package this all up. And hopefully I will be able to do this on my own. Then we'll put it into the mannequin. The balloon, if you tap it, you can feel the balloon right there. And we're gonna move our other one and put our towels in.
So the towels just fill up space, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay.
Just space fillers. And then our belly. And that's it.
Okay, we're all done. We're ready to do it now.
Ready to cut.